Here it is. It's Tastin Tuesday, y'all. Welcome back to another Tastin Tuesday. If you haven't noticed already, this is the Orange Dreamsicle Frosty from Wendy's, and just gonna try it. First problem is, it doesn't look like the picture. It doesn't have the little dollop on it. It's not in a nice red cup. What happened to the red cups? Also, they didn't give me a straw or spoon, and I didn't go back to ask for one. So, we're just gonna treat it like a milkshake or something and drink it to taste. All right, let's get into the taste test. Okay, well, I think it's okay. Tastes a little more creamsicle-y, vanilla-y than orangey. It's not a lot of orange flavor to it. I was expecting a nice amount of orange flavor, maybe a lot more. Maybe their machine was out of the orange flavoring. I don't know what happened, but I will give it a generous 2.5 out of 5. It's not bad. It's not too far away from the vanilla one if that's something that you're so sad that they don't have anymore. But at the time of me filming and tasting this, I think it's going to be still on their menu for a week or so. That's what the guy said. I don't know if it'll still be there by the time I post the video. But if you want to try it for yourself. Make sure you check with your doctor, though, for, your health purposes. Okay, let's see what it's tasting like with some fries. I got some fries because you got to have fries with your Frosty. See, that's why I call it Frosty. A fries for us. Okay, that was a stretch. But I think it enhanced the flavor a little bit. It's good with the fries. I could taste a little bit more flavor in it. Let me know if you want to see my version of an Orange Dreamsicle Frosty. Also, I got a little bit of insight that there's a new Frosty coming after this Dreamsicle Frosty. Maybe a little bit of berries are going to be included. Don't take my word. I'm just saying. All right. Thank you for tuning in to Tastin Tuesday, and I'll see you on another Tuesday where I taste some stuff. Bye.